In this video, we're going to look at how LotGrader 3D points are designed. If you look at this detail, this shows a typical walkout with many design points. The very first thing to know is the align point represents the center of the alignment and the elevation for that point. The front lot corner represents the start point, and the end point represents the end point of the lot line. In between can be a variety of points set by grade or by delta. In this case, as a walkout, the very first point is set as a split point at 2% slope at 12 meters, and we have a walkout point offset of 6 meters with a delta of minus 2.1. So all of the points will be set on the lot line using this section detail. If we look at the application itself, we can see how that is done. So under the Lot Tools menu, when you first launch the app, you'll see Select Alignment. This is important when you're selecting lot lines, as well as the layer for the lot lines, and any one of these out-of-the-box design scenarios. If we look at one of the samples, that's a split lot, a front lot only, and based on our LotGrader design detail, say walkout. So if we explain that based on the detail, the lot line start by profile, and there's the profile which it'll glean the elevation from. It has a 0.17 delta up from that calculated profile point. The last point is really the start point, and it's going to use the grade calculation at 12 meters, 2%. Another point by delta, walkout 6 meters back at minus 2.1 delta, and of course the end point of the lot by grade at minus 2. So that simulates the points that are spread along the lot line. The same type of designer is used for feature lines. So when we look at this one, it's the same idea where it's selecting lot lines. In this case, we are assigning a feature line style, but the premise is the same. So it's using the same exact logic for setting points along the feature line. Of course, these are point of vertical intersections, so you can move those once you get into the editor. And that's how the LotGrader 3D points and feature lines are designed and used on Civil 3D. In the next video, we'll look at actually using the app and seeing the results.